Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on finance equations. All right, this says Sandy and Evan invest $1,500. Sandy's investment grows by 10% the first year and 40% the second. Evan's grows by 40% the first year and 10% the second. Find the increase and discuss the difference in the increase between the two investors. Okay, so this is interesting because when you're in the world of finance, you're trying to figure out which equation to use. And we have simple interest and compound and annuity, and this is really a lot simpler than any of these. I guess if we had to apply one of the formulas, the best one to use is the compound interest because we're going to be earning interest on the interest. But the thing is, it's just being applied once a year, and we're doing this 1 year at a time. So for Sandy's first investment, she has $15,000. and the rate is 10%, we don't need to divide by the 1, and it's both of these are 1. We don't have to worry about either of those. So we're really doing 15,000 times 1.1, which gives us 16,500. Now for her second year, her base principal is now the 16,500. It is now based on this amount, not this amount, because her investment has grown, and that's why we're using the compound interest, because the thing with compound interest is the principal changes as the interest becomes principal. So now it's 1 plus 0.4 because now it's 40% interest, and at the end of the second year her investment has grown to 23,100. Okay, so now let's talk about Evan. Evan is the same base start of 15,000. But he is going to start with that 40%, which is the 0.4, and his initial 15,000 is going to grow to 21,000. Now his principal for the second year is going to start at 21,000. And if you don't want to put the plus, you don't. I could just put 1.1 at this point when I see the pattern and I see what's going on. At the end of the second year, Evan now has 23,100. So if we look, their increase for both of them is 8,100. You might be sitting there going, why? How does this work? And the reason it works is because for both of them, we started with 15,000 multiplied by 1.1 multiplied by 1.4. 15,000 multiplied by 1.4 multiplied by 1.1. We learned very early on in our math classes that multiplication is commutative. It doesn't matter the order in which we multiply. And so because the order of multiplication doesn't matter, we're just multiplying 3 numbers together, we end up at the same place. So with these percentage problems, because the percent increase is the same for both increases, doesn't matter that one is 40 and 10 and the other is 10 and 40, ultimately the multiplication is the same, which gives both of them the same increase. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.